Hey everybody, how we doing? I am at Isle Mall, gonna go try some Jollibee. So, actually I've had it before, but I wanted to do a quick video on the popular Jollibee. And so here I am. And I apologize if there's a buzz around the lights, as this camera might be a little bit buzzy. So, at least the last videos I shot, it was buzzy a little bit. But anyway, so we got Monday, May 29th. That probably made it really buzz. But anyways, Monday, May 29th, almost 7 p.m. and it is 85 degrees. And we're in Isle Mall. We're gonna go check out Jollibee. So check it out. Man, I had a really great day today, exercise-wise. I worked out at the gym at any time. I ran for a half hour. Met really great guy. He's an attorney here in Cebu City. He's a viewer of the channel, and he reached out. We met and had coffee, and then went on to lunch. It's just really incredible people out here. And just speaking of incredible views or incredible things, check out this area. I know I've shot this a couple times, but yeah, the malls here to me are just on a completely different scale than what we'd see in the United States. You know, just for one, look at all the people. And this is, you know, a Monday night at 7 o'clock. You know, it's just busy. It's not dead, it's alive, it's vibrant. You know, lots of people checking it out. You know, stores are open. Granted, there's some stores that are closed, but you know, it's just a really vibrant, alive space. You know, it reminds me of the malls during the 80s in the United States, where you just had a lot of people going. And, you know, too, just a friendly reminder too, if you like my content and like what I'm doing, you know, please hit a like. It helps out a lot. So, all right, let's check out Jollibee. Like I said, I've been here before, but I've never done a video on it. And so Jollibee is your popular fast food option here in the Philippines. And yeah, check it out, right? It's busy. So look at all the people. So yeah, really cool. You got a touchscreen menu here. Looks like you could probably pay up here too, and then you go up there. But you know, it's probably going to be a while before I get my food. So I'll probably pause and then we'll pick back up. You know what? That was pretty quick. We are kind of back. We're going to make our order. Hey, how's it going, man?
Fine. Yeah.
I'll do a value meal. Two-piece chicken with rice.
Yeah? Which one? Spicy or not?
Yeah, I'll do spicy.
You want spicy?
Yeah.
Drinks?
I'll do a Sprite.
Yeah, there's no spicy.
Sprite?
Right. All right for that. Let me serve you.
That's it?
Onion?
Yes, please. Salamat. Empin.
You're welcome.
Yeah, that was fast. Got through it pretty quick. Might be here for a little while, but so they give you a order number here, and then you pay here, and then you get your food. So, you know, it's not as fast as, you know, your fast food stuff in the United States, but it's not too bad. So, all right, I'll pick back up when I get my food. All right, so there's one other cool thing about the Jollibee here. Look at this conveyor belt system they got, and basically what that does is they'll put the orders here, and then it's for to-go stuff. And then they have a separate booth on that side where they'll have orders. So I thought that was kind of unique. So yeah, right around the corner outside. Hey.
Are you vlogging?
Yes, yes.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, channel's Carefree Chris.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Do you have a sticker in your head?
Yes, it's a like sticker.
Where are
It's
you
kind
from?
of a joke. I live here.
How do you stay here?
Yeah, I live here.
How long you stay here in the Philippines?
I've been here since December.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah. How about you? Are you from Cebu?
Yeah, San Francisco.
The province, or are you from the city?
Here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, same. Yeah.
Where are you from, by the way?
I lived in the United States. I lived in Colorado. Yeah. But you were born in Cebu? You're not from a province?
I born in Manila, but I live
Yeah.
in Cebu.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I am foreigner. He's from the USA.
Yeah. Oh, so you have a foreigner boyfriend,
Yeah.
and he's from the U.S.?
Maybe
Yeah.
there.
I'll be right back. All right, I think we got our food almost ready. They give you this little thing right here, and that's how you get your, they'll buzz you when it's ready. Oh, there we go. Hey, thank you.
Sure.
Salamat,
Enjoy.
appreciate it. Empin, empin.
I'm thinking
Yeah. All right, so we got our food. Let's go check this out. All right, we got a table right here on the edge. Like it. Cool. All right, so here's Jollibee, guys. Like I said, this isn't my first time eating Jollibee. I've been here 4 months now. But you got your chicken, spicy chicken, gravy, which I don't really ever use. You got your rice and a Sprite. So, and how much was this? Altogether, this was 174 pesos. So, pretty cheap. I'll do the conversion on it too. So, but yeah, here we are. We're eating some Jollibee. Can you imagine rice in your fast food restaurants? Shout out to, I believe the gentleman's name was Francis, who took my order. Good kid. And then just a couple people I met in line, you know, just chatting, and really cool. I love it here in the Philippines, man. Everyone is just really friendly. Really friendly. So we'll try the rice here. Yeah, it's good. A little sticky, but good. And the chicken. All right, guys. Yeah, that's great. Spicy, but not too bad. You know, good. It's flavorful. All right, that's great. I'm gonna eat this real quick, and then I'll log back in with an update. So thanks. Be right back. So finished Jollibee. It's Lami kayo. Very good. Very tasty. And so yeah, just kind of wrapping up here in the mall. Actually, do need to go to the hardware store and at a light bulb burnout. So you know, they got a couple different hardware stores here. Actually, in the basement of the metro is probably where I'll go. It's a really big facility there. But anyways, yeah, we can. We'll leave here. We'll walk around the mall for a minute, and I'll take you guys along. And you can take a look. If the footage is just so bad though, like if I get really bad buzzy lights, I might just end it here. But if not, we'll take you along for the ride. And actually, one of the things here that you do, which is a little bit unique, is you leave the food tray here on most of them. They don't really have a place for you to take it. The other thing that's kind of unique is they have the hand washing area, which is kind of straight over there. They have a space so you can wash your hands, which I think is kind of cool that you don't really have in the United States. So yeah, let's go walk around. We'll take a look. See what the footage is like. Hey, yeah, take care, man. Empin. Yeah, what a great kid. Just all in all, man, this place is really, people are just so friendly, just so, yeah, just really nice. Really, really friendly culture, as everyone talks about, but it's, you know, just unique when you see it and when you experience it firsthand. You know, just people really care. All right, hopefully the lights aren't buzzing too much. You got your Dunkin' Donuts, right? McDonald's. You know, you got some chains. It's funny here, the McDonald's serves rice. And it's more popular probably than French fries is rice. So actually this section here has got a lot of electronics. All right, dig this area, of course. Knowing me. There's a couple really good camera stores here too. They've got cameras and drones, and we're gonna go over to the metro. All right, so some trips I got coming up. I've got a trip to Comodos that I'm starting to schedule out. I'll be going there. Hey. Yeah, I actually really dig this shop. I bought a couple things from them. You can see here they actually have the One RS, they have the X3, they've got a couple of GoPros, DJI pockets. Like I said, a bunch of drone stuff, microphone, a really good selection of camera lenses too. So they got some Fujifilm camera stuff. So I'm really digging this this shop here. I bought actually I bought that light up there too. So, and you know, good price. I can't remember how much the 360 camera is, but you know, it's not too bad. Anyways, I was saying I've got some trips scheduled coming up. I met a buddy. Shout out Ricky, man. Really appreciate you, dude. Thanks for chili the other day if you're watching. But anyways, he's here, made a friend, and he and I are planning on riding scooters kind of all over the Philippines, honestly. And our first kind of introductory trip is going to be over to Camotes. And so that's kind of in the works. We're trying to get that going here in the next couple weeks. Really just waiting on my LTO registration, and once that's get done, so that trip should be coming up. All right, guys, I think that's about it. I'm gonna run to the hardware store and get a light bulb, but yeah, so I just wanted to shoot a quick Jollibee video and show you guys the popular, famous Jollibee. I think there's maybe 5 or so in the United States. I mean, they're around, they're just not very popular. Like I've never seen one before, but all right, guys. Well, anyways, hope everyone is good there. Amping, I really appreciate everyone watching, and yeah, take care.